channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good? Join Nessa Gang, because Nessa Gang is the latest gangs of all gangs. Excuse my ratchetness, sis. It's because, yeah, I don't have a reason. I'm about to get myself together. I'll be back in a second. So make sure you hit that like button in the meantime. So I'm back looking like a raw chicken nugget or something. Like, what is going on? Okay, so what I did in the shower is that I washed it and I deep conditioned it. I left the deep conditioner in. Normally I wouldn't. And if I do leave the deep conditioner in, I'll put a plastic bag over it and seal it in so it could get more moisturized and into my scalp and all of that good stuff. But I knew I was gonna cut my hair, so when this dries, then after I cut it, I'll just rinse it all out and then do what I normally do to my hair. Let me give you the rundown of my hair. I'll tell you a little bit later while I'm just waiting for my hair to dry, because right now it's 50% dry. We're gonna wait till it's like 100% dry. Pretty much, just look at it. Y'all might be like, no, don't cut it, but it is so not what it used to be. You see how it's like mad short right here, then it's like mad long right here? And I never got it cut into a bob. They was all one length about a month ago. This is like so ugly, and then this piece is like mad thin. If I push it to this side, yeah. When I washed it and it was wet, it looked like I literally had 5 long pieces like this one. But this is already short to me, y'all. I've been avoiding this because I've been scared to see my actual length after I had ended up getting my hair super duper duper matted. I had to try to comb through it to get the knots out. By the time I got done picking out the knots 3 days later, my hair was super duper thin and super short. I might as well have cut through the matted part in the beginning. That's how bad it was. I tried everything possible. My Snapchat, my Instagram was helping me out. I was buying so many products, which left me mad frustrated and left me wasting so much time that I could have spent having fun in LA. I'll get more into detail in a second. While we're waiting for my hair to dry, I'm just gonna do things that I would normally do when I'm sitting at home and feeling lazy. Kick back, relax, keep watching, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so basically when I'm waiting for my hair to dry, I just respond to emails, take selfies, respond to my supporters, text my boyfriend maybe, I don't know. Even record voiceovers just so that I could kill some time, because it takes about 2 hours plus more for it to dry completely. So overall, I'm just cutting my hair because it's very unhealthy and I've bleached it, I've dyed it before, even though it's been a couple years. I just think it's the perfect time to cut it, especially since I have been introduced to wigs and all of that good stuff. So, you know, it's just time to go. Once I finally got my hair to dry, I'm just combing it out so that the curls are not so locked in and tight together.
Really, nigga? Really, nigga? Really, nigga?
So voila, this is the finished look. I ended up cutting some more last night after I rinsed out all of the deep conditioner, because this side was still really long and I couldn't tell because it was mad frizzy after I brushed it out. And now it looks more even. It's not 100% perfect, but it worked. If I cut any more, I'd probably really cry. I don't think it looked that bad, right? It's gonna grow fast. Wanna know why? Because I be wearing wigs 24/7. I be having my hair in protective style, and I wash it once or twice a week and deep condition it. So in about a year, it'll probably look 10 times better than it did before, because it will be healthy. Did y'all hear that? That was my stomach. It'll be healthy and the curls will be better. Look at the definition. Look at how they're so defined. That is crazy. They look way better actually. Probably rock it up. Ooh, excuse the 5 head. Dang, it's bright outside. I got my brightness on my camera turned all the way down. Okay, so normally when I do my hair and it's curly, I put it in a ponytail and then I go like this. But I probably don't even gotta do that. Ooh, bish. Ooh, it is cute. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh, I'm looking like somebody, bro. I should have cut my hair a long time ago. You know what? I'm about to do my edges and I'll be right back. Look at that. Look at the fleekery. Like, what is going on? All I need to do is add on some lip gloss, maybe some eyelashes. Who knows? I keep looking in the viewfinder because your girl is cute. Make sure you hit that like button. Even if you didn't like the video, just like it. Just love me. Comment Nessa Gang in the comments. And make sure you check out my other videos. I just realized that I broke my nail. Let me know what you think, if this was a yay or if it was a nay. If you think I shouldn't have cut it, that's just too bad because it's already gone. But low-key, y'all not even gonna realize it because like I said, I be doing wigs and I be doing all different types of hairstyles, so you will never know. Stay tuned for my next video. I love you, Nessa Gang, and I'll see you later.